Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to set up automatic loan payments in Lendingclub. Automatic payments is going to help you to avoid missed due dates or to, as well as to maintain good credits. So let me show you how to set this up. The first step is to log into Lendingclub, so you can access your accounts through the app or the Lendingclub website. Once you're in, go to payment settings. So just navigate to loans, and then under that, you're going to find the payments, manage payment options. And then under manage payments, you're going to see auto pay setup. Now just choose the loans. Just go ahead and select which loan you want to automate payments for among the list. And then you're going to select bank account. So go ahead and pick your linked bank account from which payments are going to be drawn. Then you're going to need to set payment frequencies. So you can choose monthly, bi-weekly, or as well as any available scheduled offered by Lendingclub. Once you pick that, the next step is to confirm payment amount. So you can select minimum due, full statements, or just custom amounts. Next is to authorize auto pay. Now just review the details and then authorize the automatic deductions. You're going to receive a confirmation email or notifications for that step. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up automatic loan payments in Lendingclub. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.